Hello everyone, this is Imad Khan from EKSofts. So it's after a long time. Actually, exams are going on, and once again after exams are done, and I'm back. So today we are here with a problem. Actually, that is when we upload our Laravel websites in our live servers, then we just need those files, and we download those files and gonna run in our local machine. But we can do this in a very simple way. So today I'm going to show you how to run your live server project in your local machine. So for this, you can see I have downloaded a script, and this is the file. Actually, this is the files of the website, and I've just opened in my Visual Studio Code editor. You can see that, and you can see the routes in here. Okay, so after doing this, we will come here and we will go to the CMD. I'll go to the control panel actually. So in normal, what we do, we come here and we run page and serve, and that works. But in this case, if you just downloaded a downloaded a file from a live server, and then just gonna type this page version server, this is gonna run. This will show some errors actually. So for this, what we have to do, we just have to come here first in the files in the Visual Studio Code editor, and after doing this, we have to go to the app service provider. We'll search for the app service provider, and we'll go to the providers, then app service providers. Then if we have any functions, if we have any things written in the boot function, then we have to comment these things first. And after doing this, we have to come here again, and we will come here again, and after coming in here, we will run. Okay, I have something running in here, I will cross it. Okay, then we have to run php artisan config cache. Then you can see the cache is cleared, the cache cached successfully. Then after doing this, we have to come here again, and we have to just uncomment the things. And after doing this, we have to come here again, and they have to run php artisan configuration once again. And this will be cache cleared and cached successfully. Then we have to run php artisan optimize to optimize our project. Uh, okay, artisan spelling mistake. Sorry for that. php artisan. So after doing this, you can see this things. This thing is optimized, and we can then we can run php artisan serve. So you can see it, boom, it's running. It's running good. So after doing this, if you come here, we can see the site is up and running here. So this is the process actually. So if you come here and we show you guys the site from here, the site live server site, it's staying, yeah. So this is the live server live. Okay, in here some CSS issues. So we will come up here and we'll click it here. Then you can see the same thing is running here, the same website is running here, and you can see this is the live server, and we can see this is the local server. So this is how we have the process, and this is how we can run our live server projects in our local server machine, how to set up our live server websites in our local servers. So this is it actually. So for this, you have to just first of all you have to come, and then you have to run the CMD, and after running the CMD, you have to go to the app service provider. Then if we have written something in our function in our boot function, then we have to comment those things, and after commenting those things, we have to come here again, we have to then run php artisan config cache, and after doing this, we have to just uncomment those commented things, and after doing this, we will have to come here and have to run again php artisan config cache, and then we will optimize our project PHP and optimize, then we can run PHP and stuff. So it's that easy. And but when we feel the problems, we see that we just pasted the right env files, but the things are not running, the right codes, the right server names in the env files, in these env files, but that is not running. I will show you from in the example. We right, the accurate project name, accurate password, or accurate username, but it's not running. Then we have to come here and we have to just follow this process, and it will be resolved actually. So that's all. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe, like, share, and comments. And please support me, and thus I can grow, and I can come up with the problems you face in websites, in building websites, and the easiest solutions of those problems. So thank you very much. Thanks for watching, and thanks from EKSofts.